welcome everybody to I think it's the fourth video of learning Python, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you guys how to use the if statement. Now the if is precisely as it is say now, but it goes with an input, or it can go actually with quite a lot of things, but today we're going to use it with an input. Okay, so let's just quickly make I'm quickly gonna make a program where the if is used, and then I'll explain it how further it can be used. What we will also be doing in this video is the else and the elif or else if statement. Okay, so here is a program which can be used at at the airports to weigh the people's bag and all that stuff. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So we've got our own variable here. It is called weight. Okay, now weight is an integer input or int input, so it must be a number, and the question is weight of suitcase. So the user is, or the person that is using this, is going to type in the weight of the suitcase. Okay, so first off here we get the if statement. Okay, so if the weight of the bag, which is this one, is bigger than or greater than 50, then we print too heavy. Okay, so what you do is you say if weight is that. When you're done, you put a colon and you press enter, and then it will by its own have a few spaces, and this is called an indent. Okay, or an indentation. I think it's called an indent. Okay, so it's going to indent it, and that is where you're going to type your next code. If you type it here, it's not going to work. So it must be, when you press enter, it must be there. If you have got accidentally pressed backspace, you can just press tab and then it will bring it there. But if you just have your cursor there and you press enter, it will automatically move it up a space. Okay, so if the weight of the bag is greater than 50, then we print too heavy. So that means the bag is obviously too heavy. Okay, elif stands for else if. It's just a short thing. So else if this statement is not right or correct, then you must do this. This. Okay, so else if weight is smaller than 50, then you can print your bag is the right weight. Okay, it's easy as that. Precisely with the colon and everything, precisely like that. You cannot put just like that, because then it's precisely like an if. It's just if the first statement does not work, go to the next one. Okay, so else if weight is smaller than 50, then print your bag is the right weight. Okay, and then else we will print. Now if the user input is nothing of these two, then it must just print sorry, wrong input. Okay, so else can be with just else and nothing else, and elif must have something there after the word and if also. Okay, so let's quickly run this program and let's see. Okay, so weight of the suitcase, let us say 50. It's going to be wrong input. Okay guys, sorry for that. I found the mistake to the mistake of this program. The reason if you run it and you say 50 is because it says it must be greater than 50, not equals to, because then it's nothing smaller than 50, it's not greater than 50, and that leaves us with else. Okay, so to fix this, we want to say if it is greater than or equal to 50. Okay, and to do that, you should put the equal sign after the greater than. Okay, if it's before it does not work, so yeah. Okay, so here we will also do that, and I think it's also like that with this one. I'll quickly check, but let's just go. Okay, so let's run it again, and let's say weight of the suitcase 50, and then it's going to say too heavy. Okay, let's run it again. Let's see if we have, yeah, if weight is equal to, then we say 49, and then we say the bag is the right weight. Okay, we don't have to put the equals to, because otherwise it's precisely going to be if weight equals to 50 or weight equals to 50, if you see what I mean. You don't have to put an elif here, an equal, but if it makes sense to put an equal sign there, then you can do it. Nothing changes to your program. Okay, so we can put now any number of that, and then it's going to say too heavy. I just put a 3 there accidentally, and yes, okay, so if we say 0.0005, well, then it's just another mistake that we get, but it's not to the program. You can add, like if it's smaller than 0, then you can do that. So thanks for watching, and then in the next video I will be showing you some loops, which makes the thing go on forever or until a specific amount of time. So yeah, keep a look for that, and then we'll go on.